Hi guys, 𝗖𝗨𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗠 from Audio Direct. I forgot my headset today. We were running around. I was so excited to deliver this vehicle back to its very, very lucky new owner, and very patient as well. We had to add a couple of days to the job card because we wanted to do something really special for this thing, and I think we accomplished that. If you've got like $500,000 lying around and you want to get yourself something and feel like Iron Man every time you're out and about like an Avenger, pick yourself up this thing. I mean, to say it's a good looking car is a bit of an understatement, but we've done quite a lot of stuff to this, and the beautiful thing is, can't tell that much from the outside. Even the factory camera has been upgraded. The magic, however, is on the inside. See all this beautiful carbon fiber? Well, it's all been matched surrounding the flagship Pioneer AVH Z9250BT. This is the all singing, all dancing wireless Apple CarPlay. It also has wireless Android Auto, but that's for phones not sold in the GCC, just to be very, very clear. I mean, I'm not going to go through the stereo, that's not important here. What's important is this, the steering controls. Now that might sound rather bizarre, but basically to get these steering controls to work with this head unit on this particular 2016 R8 Spyder, and then to fabricate 3D print and then cover and match the carbon fiber trim on this bezel was a lot of work, let's just say that. You'll see the photographs. We've also integrated the charging unit for the vehicle. We may be putting a wireless charger here as well for the customer, but suffice to say, the vehicle is pretty hot at the moment. Camera view, that is the front, that is the rear. No, opposite way round. Even I'm getting confused because these cars generally don't come with it. Well, there you go. Engage reverse, automatically it comes in. And of course, Bluetooth, audio streaming, all that good stuff. I can't demonstrate the sound because of copyright, but suffice to say, when I play with this, depending on what function you're in, and by the way, we can change the function through the mode as well. So pressing that, and you'll see it's actually flicking through the different modes of the head unit as well, and depending on what mode you're on, there you go,
and both of them, her and him, ended up in the...
We can then adjust the volume as well. Multi-optional controls on an Audi R8 2016 Spyder. It's been a beautiful project. I'm about to deliver it to the customer. I know he's going to be over the moon, and we look forward to his feedback, and we look forward to a couple more Audi R8s coming through the doors. 𝗖𝗨𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗠 from Audio Direct once again. Rather happy to have been in this, my office, for the day.